All right, we're here with Professor Me, and he's going to show us how to divide a ventilator into two, meaning ventilate two very sick patients with one ventilator. In this case, it's the Drager. Okay, Professor Me, show us what you've done here.
So I've essentially put our Drager in CMV mode, right? Rated 20, 800, PIPA 10, 50%. So as you notice, if you follow the circuit, we have our inspiratory limb here. It's filtered. It goes through these two check valves. Then I have flow restrictors here. Flow restrictors go to the Y, to the patient. Patient exhales down the expiratory limb. It goes through this spirometer here, through a check valve, right? And then we also have extra manometers here. Back to the vent to get our exhale tidal volume. So if you look up close, our peak inspiratory pressure is about, 30, 25. And then our exhale tidal volume is about 450. So theoretically, 450 minus 700, like 250, right? So if you notice on my ARDS lung, as the compliance up, my peak pressure is 40, right? So let's say we wanted to decrease pressure in this lung, we could turn down the total tidal volume, or we can make our adjustment here. So these are on the NIH website, right? So notice what happens to my peak pressure as I open up this valve. Okay, so pressure measurement error. Yeah, you might see that now that we're allowing more air to flow. But my peak pressure is still 25. There's no difference. Okay, we'll edit that out, but we'll keep going. We'll go the opposite way, right? Let's say this guy, so now my peak pressure is 30 here. Don't know my tidal volume, we can just estimate what's exhaled through here. But as you notice, if I have my good compliant lung, if I start flow restricting it, my peak pressure will increase onto the bad lung, right? Vice versa, we can make any extreme changes. Even if I pinch it off even more, to decrease our peak pressure here, 20. Now my peak pressure on this side, 55, right? Exhale tidal volume, about 300. So you can ventilate multiple people on one vent. Probably have to be sedated and paralyzed, but I turned off the flow trigger, and you just have to remember that you just have to follow lung compliance and monitor your pressures. It can be done, but it is not recommended.
But what we want to know as the audience is, can you ventilate a Shetland pony with this?